everyone, this is Vallari Mule from SYBMMC of Bansangas SM Shetty Degree College, Powai. Today we are here to cover the event of Y Talk organized by Department of Multimedia and Communication Skills. Y Talk is a panel discussion where students participate as panelists and discuss on a particular topic of high importance. The topic for today's Y Talk event is Rethinking Protection: How to Ensure Women's Safety Without Imposing Restrictions. Today's panelists are Parvati Mulankal, Ritesh Singh, Vivek Joshi, Vidhi Thakur, and Ayushi. Let's get started with the event.
Way or talking about how they should not leave their house at night, that sort of thing. So we are imposing restrictions on women. How can we ensure that women are safe without imposing these restrictions?
Women or like female students are not allowed to go for lectures post 7 p.m.
Have our own stories, and somewhere we know that we are not at fault. Everyone knows about it, but it's just people are like brainwashed in some ways that somewhere the girl shouldn't have worn this certain piece of clothing, or she shouldn't have worn that. So it's always boiling down to what did she wear or what did she do.
Women are supposed to be the change for themselves, and दुनिया तो बाद में आती है, but change starts with us. Please do not tell your daughters to wear a certain cloth in order to not get raped. And if you have a son ever in life, do teach him to respect the dignity of a woman.
Security cases, we're talking about dowry, all of
What did the other girls who got raped get? Did they get justice? Even if we took stand for ourselves, what did we get?
2022 का हिसाब से कुछ 31,000 रेप्स हुआ है फुल ईयर में. एवरी डे नहीं, एवरी आवर 4 रेप्स हो रही.
I would say my highlights for the event was when the discussion was open to the audience and we had like a lot of diverse opinion is what I would say. One of my favorite ones was this debate between this one girl and another guy named Anvit, and truly very iconic. There was very important points of about women's security and how women need to take stand, but then at the same time if they do take stands, what are the complications of it. These were the things that were discussed, and to me that was like one of the best things about this entire event.
My highlight of the event is like it opened up so many difficult conversations surrounding the topic about women's safety and protection, and about things like rape, which is not talked about much, and the ongoing cases that are going on, how it's impacting our society, the way we think how it is impacting the society. So conversations about that was like the highlight for me.
I would say I would agree with the whole concept of how education is important when it comes to the whole, rising rape cases and like the mentality of people. Education plays a very important role. Apart from there also needs a lot of media representation in a sense where it shows women as, not an object for men. I do disagree with the whole idea that traditions have been there. Men have a lot of power in the society, and that's why they get the authority to do whatever they want. I mean, women do have that authority. It's just that we don't see it that much. So again, it comes down to the point that where education or like to educate people becomes important.
For me, I agree that consent plays an important role in the whole matter when it comes to sex. And other than that, a lot of issues are like mainly faced by women, and so we should ensure that we don't victim shame. And thirdly, I'd say that what I disagree mainly was the fact that a guy told that we don't take stand for ourselves and that women should take stand. This again shifts the blame to the victim, because we are not talking about a perpetrator. Again, we are saying that women should do this, women should do that. So that's one thing I disagree.
This is Vallari Mule signing off with cameraman Dhanush Shetty.